Good morning, family. Welcome back to another Vlogmas. Hey, Zoe. Hey, Zoe. Hey, pretty girl. What, you have a sticker? Careful. Good job. Is that a spider? Oh my God, that's a spider. All right, I gotta get that. Welcome back. What are we doing today? Look at my hair. Don't I look crazy? I legit forgot to, I was so out of it last night. I forgot to tie my head up. I had way too many mimosas and my head was pounding and I laid down and then I felt nauseous. But anyway, it's the next day. I'm feeling just fine. The house is a mess. So again, we're gonna be cleaning, but we have to clean not just the kitchen today. We're gonna clean the kitchen. We're going to change the sheets on the beds. We're gonna do a little bit of laundry. We're going to clean up their bedroom. I have to vacuum in here. I have to get that spider right now because that's gonna freak me out if it goes somewhere. I don't know where it goes. She's singing. So are you singing? Hmm? Good job. Good job. But first we're gonna start off with we're gonna make some breakfast. We're gonna make some eggs and some toast. Yeah, we're gonna start off making breakfast. So this light is amazing. My skin is so dry. My skin is starting to get all these dry patches now because it's winter, and my skin is usually oily, but I'll get like patches of dry and it annoys me. But we'll take care of that later. And I'm not gonna tell you what else we're gonna do today because it never goes through, but we're definitely doing it today. If you've all been watching my last vlog or last couple of vlogs, you know exactly what it is. I'm not gonna speak it into existence because it never exists when I do it. We're just gonna do it. So let's make some breakfast, start cleaning up, and get the day popping. Mason, what are you doing? What are you doing? You did not fall. You put these here and laid in them. You're crazy. You're a little nutsy. Look at this. I walked away for 1 second. Thank you, Zoe. Thank you for helping mommy. Thank you. Zoe, thank you. You want a car? Yeah, okay, come on, let's go get a car. Now it's time to clean the kitchen and the living and the dining room. I have all this mail on here, bottles from yesterday and today. It's just a mess. Luckily this side is just a little bit of cleaning up. Spilled some sugar there, cleaned the stove and put some stuff away. But this side, a mess. Must have spent 45,000 up in Tiffany's. Got a badass kids running around my whole crib like it's Chuck E. Cheese. Rolling in the gym with an X-Man in the UFC. Can't believe it. I'm in disbelief. Zoe. No, thank you. Zoe, what do you have? What's that? Zoe, what do you have? What's that? Mommy. What's that? Marshmallow. Dance. Come here, Zoe. Come. Come. So it's been a couple of hours and I put on 2 loads of laundry. I have one in the washer, one in the dryer right now. I have some laundry on the guest bedroom bed to fold up, and I still have to do Chris's laundry. And I put a whole chicken in the crock pot, so that's cooking. It should be done in a little bit. And I'm about to get in the shower and get myself ready for the night for my spa evening at home. A lot of time has passed. Fed the kids, we ate dinner, gave them a bath. They're all clean and ready to go. I'm gonna clean up this kitchen for the second time. We're gonna get them ready for bed, and then I'm gonna start spa night. Mama spa night.
You eat ya.
The kids are finally asleep. I'm watching Real Housewives of Potomac, and I'm about to get out all of my spa things and my foot massager, make some hot chocolate with a lot of marshmallows. Gonna get it poppin', gonna get it poppin'. So I decided I'm gonna use the biggest cup mug I could find, and we're gonna do hot chocolate, eggnog hot chocolate. Yes, yes. We're gonna kind of fudge this along as we go, but I got my big mug. Boom, almost as big as my head. Look how big that is. Way bigger than any other mug I have. Forever 29, hello. And we got our water boiling right now. And let's go get our hot chocolate stuff. All right. Let's go ahead and get our hand mask, our foot mask, our face mask. Pull out our foot massager and see what else we have. I found the Sephora aloe vera mask, face mask. I have an Aveeno nourishing hand mask, and I have FBL, I think that's how you say it, hydrating shea butter, jojoba oil, and vitamin E hydrating socks. And my water's boiling, so hold on a second. And I like a lot of marshmallows. This is how it looks. And I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of nutmeg on it. Even better, I found some pumpkin pie spice. We're gonna sprinkle that on there. Tell me that don't look good. Oof. I can't wait.
Your foot massager. Hot chocolate, all those marshmallows. You're just living life. Relaxing thing right now, I guess.
I'm so excited.
Did you want to watch a movie or something?
Yeah.
So let me give you like 15, 20 minutes. What do you want? Half an hour?
You can come right now if you want.
No, I'm not gonna do it. Come right now. Why are you doing this?
Why? It doesn't make a difference.
No, I'm gonna let you enjoy yourself right now.
My feet hurt too. Oh, it's cold. This feels so nice. Okay, y'all gotta try this. This is so good. Make you some hot chocolate and put some eggnog in it. This right here, mm. Heavenly. Heavenly. I'm sitting here watching Real Housewives of Potomac. Karen Huger ain't playing with these little girls. I'm watching this episode where they're still in Miami at this dinner that they brought Wendy back to. And what's this girl name? The little young one that's married to the chef. She went and said Karen was going out with younger men and going here and going there. Karen is not playing with her. You don't still watching the show? I don't know what people watch nowadays, but I'm still watching it. You know, my feet feel so good. They're probably gonna be swollen because I think you're supposed to only do this like for one 15-minute session. This is number 2 that's about to end right now, and I know I'm gonna do it one more time because it just feels so nice. Get you one of these. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put a link below to Amazon where you can get you one of these because this thing is nice.
It's an hour and a half.
All right, we're gonna end the night watching a movie. It's called Man Eater. Hey, honey.
We end the night a different.
Hey. Good night.